Let's look at this 2019 O-Level E-Maths paper 1, question 11. Okay, in this question, we are asked to factorize this expression, x squared minus y to the 4. Okay, whenever you have only two terms in the question, one of the rules that you should try to immediately relate it to is this rule that says a squared minus b squared is equals to a plus b, a minus b. All right. So as you can see, I have two terms in the expression, and both of these terms have a square to them, and I can factorize them as a plus b, a minus b. Okay. Of course, in the exam or in the assessment, you may not get something so straightforward. All right, and there may be a first level step involved in order to make your expression look something like this. Okay, so let's look at our question over here. So we have x squared minus y to the 4. Okay, so what do we know about this? We know that y squared to the square is actually equivalent to y to the 4. Alright, so I can actually rewrite this expression as x squared minus y squared squared. Alright, so this y squared, the whole thing squared, is equivalent to y to the 4. Now you can see that this is my a, okay, and this y square is actually my b. Alright, so a is actually my x, alright, and b is actually my y square. Okay, so rewriting my expression, okay, into this form over here. So if I look back here and say a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. So this term, okay, can now be rewritten as x plus y square and x minus y square. Okay, so that is the final answer here for this question. Alright, thank you for watching, and do look out for all my videos on the O-Level E-Maths 10-year series questions in my website as well as on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.